guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chyna here. So today's video, I'm going to be removing my my lock knot. I've had them for over, let me see, a week and a half, I think almost 2 weeks now, you guys. I was supposed to remove them, but I've been super lazy, and I just never got to it, you know. So today I decided I'm in a better mood or whatever, and I got a little time, so I'm like, let me remove them on camera for you guys, so you guys can see, because you guys were really you guys really like this hairstyle. So some of them, like for example this one, a lot of them, the rubber bands did popped off, so you guys will see how, you know, some of them have it, so some of them don't. So I feel like some of them will be a little bit more curlier than the other, like the end, so we'll see. But anyway, so we're gonna get started. So this is the before. All right, you guys, so before we get started, I'm going to spray my hair. I didn't spray them this morning, so I'm gonna quickly just spray them. And then after that, I'm gonna put some oil in them. Hold on, let me just massage them a bit. I'm gonna put some in my root. My root's a little dry right now. All right, let me just close this. So it's just gonna massage her roots and her scalp. Alright, you guys, so if you want to, you can like part your hair. I'm going to part them. I'm just gonna part them in half, honestly, so I can work with half at a time. Okay, so we're gonna do this part last. I'm gonna start, I don't know if I should start from the back. No, I'm gonna start from the front. So you guys know the front is basically just 2 strand, because the hair was kind of short in the front, so I couldn't like do like a lock knot. So yeah, my hand is so ashy, I'm sorry y'all, but yeah, so the front is just double stranded. That's about it. This one I looped it just a little bit. Alright, you guys, so I did a few, and so far this is how it's looking like. Nothing crazy, nothing too crazy. So I'm gonna fast forward the rest of this side, and then once I'm done with this side, I'm gonna stop and show you guys how it looks. I am done with this side, you guys, and I love it. Like, let me get a little closer so you guys can like see the curls and how tight they are. Like, you guys, I love how it's still keeping like the bob look too. Like, this is super cute, like super cute. Like, I think this is by far like my favorite style now, you guys. Like, look how tight the curls are, you guys. Like, they're so tight and they're just so, oh my god, like I really can't, like. But anyways guys, I'm gonna go finish this side and I'm gonna come back and show you guys the full look. So I am all done, guys, and I am absolutely in love. Like let me get a little closer again to show you guys. I feel like some of them still have like the rubber bands on them because I was like in a rush. But guys, like, it's just so cute. I love the volume that it has. So cute. Like, you guys, I am so pleased with this hairstyle. I think it's super cute. I don't know, you guys, let me know what you guys think about it. Like, this turned out so much better than I expected and hoped for. Like, I knew it was gonna look good, but I just didn't know it was gonna look this good. Like, look how, like I love my locks so much. Like, I love them so much. Like, they just always just come through. Every style I do, they always just come through. All right, you guys, so hey guys, so it took me about what, 30 minutes I would say to remove these out of my hair. But not too, like, it wasn't too hard. It was just, you know, a lot of them, so it took me a while to actually remove all of them. But you guys, I love this. Actually, I'm gonna do my edges real quick. I don't need to, but just a little front. All right, just a little front, because that's mainly the part that really shows. But you guys, I love it. Let me know what you guys think. I think they look super cute. I love how it just kept like the bob look. So I couldn't be happier with the result, you guys. Let me know what you guys think down below, and make sure you like, you comment, and you subscribe to my channel for other videos, upcoming videos that you guys would not want to miss. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.